Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, once again I have bought another mobile application. This application in which you can create your ringtone with your name. If you want to want someone calling you and ringing the bell with your name, so guys, this application for you. So friend, let's start the video. Friend, before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. And first of all, you go on the Play Store. After clicking Play Store, you search application with the name of my ringtone. So guys, click here. After clicking here my ringtone, so guys, this will appear on the fourth. This is application my name ringtone maker. Open it. I have already installed this application. You also you can install this, and after installing you can open it. I open it. So guys, I after open, and this will appear. So guys, first of all, I go back. Many option on the home screen. Funny, new, ringtone, audit, card, language, more. So guys, first of all, I click on the funny. After clicking the funny, so guys, enter your hair name. For example, my name is Irfan. So guys, I enter here Irfan, and enter here is also enter here. You can choice it can use your name. Hi, Mr. Miss Doctor. You can select anyone. So guys, I select this one. Hi. So guys, after so guys, after it, you can also choice here celebrity name. So guys, enter here. So many option is here. You can use a celebrity name: Messi, Ronaldo, Kohli. So guys, I have non here. So guys, not select. So after that, this is a fourth option for you. After I click here, you can use here. You is calling you, is online waiting for you. G आपको कॉल कौन कर रहा है? G is calling. So I select here this one. Please receiving yourself. So guys, I make a ringtone. So guys, I click this and this will start. So
Hi Irfan Trump, please receive your call.
so guys, you
Hi
hear
Irfan Trump, please receive your call.
you can hear it for this ringtone is make. And after this one, and you click here, and I click here. So guys, after clicking here, you can this is the option set as ringtone. You so guys, after click here, this ringtone is set on your incoming calls. When someone calling you, this application will start. This application will start. So guys, this is amazing application for you. I hope you understand this application, and hopefully you understand whole the video. If you understand my video, please like my video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and share your friend. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.